Hi guys, this is how to make my delicious Keema mince recipe. So to start with, I've got some red onions that I've just chopped up. I've got some organic beef mince. Firstly, you just want to saute those onions on a low heat in some coconut oil is fine, or olive oil is fine if you don't have coconut oil. Then I've taken some ginger and some garlic. You want to crush and then peel the garlic and then chop that finely. With the ginger, I've just peeled off the skin and then I'm going to grate that finely as well. So add the ginger and garlic into the onions. Then once the onions are nearly done, then add in your beef mince. I normally take it out of the fridge about half an hour or so before, just to bring it up to room temperature so the meat doesn't seize in the pan straight away. And then put it on quite a high heat so you can get a good sear on that meat. You want to keep stirring it around, so make sure you get an even brown colour on your beef mince. When your beef is looking like this, then add in our curry paste or curry powder. So I'm using some Mauritian curry powder here that I've had already. It's kind of got everything in it that you need. So it's a great easy dish to do. You can just add about 2 tablespoons or so of your curry powder in there and then give that all a good mix. Tip in some chopped tomatoes, or even if you have fresh tomatoes, you can add those in and then give that all a mix as well in the pan. So we're going to add a dash of water, and then I'm going to add some kidney beans, some extra bit of protein into my dish. I love adding kidney beans, it gives it a bit of texture into the Keema mince. Also you can add peas in there as well, that's another popular ingredient to add. So we let our beef mince cook with our kidney beans, and towards the end of the cooking you can add in some fresh garnish. You can add in parsley or coriander, whichever you prefer. Give that all a mix, make sure you seasoned it with salt and pepper, and that it is done. A really good quick dinner recipe, so great for the family. You can have this on a jacket potato, you can have it with rice, rotis, with some dal, however you like to eat it. It's super delicious and quick to make. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.